Why do 85% of car enthusiasts love SPHEVs? Buckle up for the ultimate comparison. First things first, what on earth is an SPHEV? It stands for Series Plug-in Hybrid Electric Vehicle. Sounds fancy, right? But let's break it down. Any car with an electric motor ends with EV. Simple. Now, if it has both an electric motor and a gas engine, it's called a hybrid electric vehicle, or HEV. If you can plug it into charge, it's a plug-in hybrid, or PHEV. Here's the kicker. If the gas engine only charges the battery and doesn't power the wheels directly, it's a series hybrid, SPHEV. Throw in a plug and you get SPHEV. So why is SPHEV the best? Unlike other hybrids, SPHEVs give you electric-like performance and efficiency without range anxiety. You get the best of both worlds, stellar performance and reliability. Plus, no need to be an astrophysicist to plan your road trips. Just hop in and go. SPHEV, the ultimate driving experience.